those magnets? Bo and I are currently in a giant snowstorm. This is like one of the second or third snowstorm we've had in like the past 3 days, which is crazy. We're supposed to get like 5 inches. And there's already like probably at least 2 inches on the ground. Like, this is crazy. Bo's having a gay old time, but I thought I'd show you guys the snow because it's quite magical. Look at that. Bo's having fun. No one's out. Okay. He's a dragging me. Running in the snow. Hello, Bo. Alright, this is how much snow's fallen already. Look at that. Look at that. Good morning, guys. Can you say good morning, Bo? Me and Bo just went for a walk. More like a run. We were out there for like 3 minutes. And we're both dying. But there was so much snow that dropped last night. It's insane. This is the most snow we've had in such a long time, and I'm so happy about it. I hope it sticks around for Christmas, because that would make my Christmas wishes come true. How'd you sleep, Bo? How'd you sleep? You slept good? It's like almost 10 o'clock. And Bo slept in. Look at this. I'm done babysitting around like, I think like 1:30. So I'll be able to go home, get everything like ready for that upcoming week. I want to clean my sheets, full hair, everything, right, Bo? But we're gonna load up. I might snow blow the driveway. And yeah, head home. Because that was counted as our snowy adventure, because I'm not going anywhere outside. It's freezing. But Bo has to finish his breakfast. Before we left, you didn't finish your breakfast, huh? Are you tired? Okay, we're gonna go finish Bo's breakfast. Toodaloo! Okay, we are in the car again, me and Bo. We are out grabbing some lunch. We are at Cane's. I got a Diet Coke. And I honestly don't like anything from Cane's, so I just opted for a drink. Well, you better not cut me off, lady. This lane is like 2 lanes and it's kind of stressful. But Bo had a great time this morning. He's very tired. Are you tired, Bo? Hey, yeah, you see peace? It's 12:42, so I've got about like an hour and a half, and I'm gonna drop. Then I'll be home to reset my life, right, Bo? Clean my sheets, the whole thing. I just finished at the Cane's, and they're like, we have like free tenders for your dog, so here's a tender. You get a little piece, Bo. It's hot. It's so hot. Wait, I gotta blow on it. No, it's so hot. It's very hot. Good patience. Yes. Good boy. Too hot. Wow, you are doing so good. Wait. Yes, good boys. Okay, that's it. No more chicken tender. No, it's all go bye-byes. That's too much. Okay, I'm gonna put this. It's so nice they give you a free chicken tender. I didn't want to say like no, so. Oh, I just took it. Mmm, crispy. All right, that's that. Gonna head home. You're snotting. Okay, hi guys. Back from kind of a long day. Had to babysit, and now I'm home. And I'm making my dad's spritz cookies, but this machine is like not working the best, so we're making the cookies, but they don't look the absolute best, which is fine. But we're wrapping some presents, watching a Christmas movie. It's around 5. See, it keeps popping up. This thing is just, I've used it too many times this season. I need to get a new one. But anyway, I just started baking, and as I was baking, the snow just started falling, and it's so pretty. I am making well, this is actually my first time making these. They're from TikTok. They're cream cheese sugar cookies, and I'm actually really excited. Added the flour, and this is like a really thick dough. Like I mentioned before, I refrigerated that dough last night that I used for my spritz cookies that weren't working out well, but somehow I don't know what's different today, but they turned out so much better. Like, this is gonna bake these up, but I still have honestly just a little bit of dough left, and I'm gonna pop these in the freezer and then cook them off, and then move on to my sugar cookies because I have about 14 minutes left on my timer. I am doing a lot of things. I am baking the rest of my spritz cookies. They actually turned out really good, surprisingly. And now I just popped a few of my sugar cookies in the oven. Sorry, I can't speak. I'm doing 2 things at once. Spritz cookies out. I'm gonna turn the oven off. Yeah, these are pretty much done. These weren't really spritz cookies. They were like my spritz cookie dough, and I just kind of shaped them into. Hoping my dad thinks they're spritz cookies. Because they are, but they're not like from the special. I didn't use the special tool to do them because the tool was not working. This is so cute. I'm making a little Christmas tree. So fun. I love decorating. I haven't decorated sugar cookies in a really long time. Star. My first cookie. And of course I'm not going to eat any of these because I'm like not in the mood. Are you joking? Come on, that's so cute. There's so much copper here. Look at this. You secured them. And little bowls. We're at Target. Should we go straight? We all got little special drinks and we're like around Target. We don't need anything, but we're just hanging out. Oh my gosh, those are so cute. We're gonna buy these next year. They're so cute. Matching pants.
One day, one of those Same thing but grande?
Yes, but you can keep the berries in that one.
Okay.
And then a tall iced sugar cookie latte with... She's looking up! Good morning. We are currently on a little snowy adventure with Sammy. Let's see if you can hang out there. Stay. Okay, slay. Sammy found me. Yay, Tammy. Hi. Did you find me? Did you find me? Where's Sarah? Where's Sarah? The woods, and Sammy found 2 deer and ran after them. And then she came back. But we're just doing some hide and go seek to get her tired. And then we're gonna go back to the house, bake some cookies because, you know, what's new? It wouldn't be a day in December without baking Christmas cookies. I have to finish baking off my sugar cookies. I let them, the dough sit overnight. So now I get to like do the fun part and to decorate them, because yesterday I decorated a few, but this time, today I'm gonna like make them all. Well, maybe, probably make half of them, decorate them. And yeah, I'll bring you guys along. It's quite frigid today, all bundled up, but that's the update. We're back from our adventure, and we're baking with Tammy. Thank goodness. Oh my god, you're so cute. Okay, we are moving on because the dough for the sugar cookies need to freeze because they're just not like a different cookie. We're attempting to make mini M&M cookies because I have leftover holiday M&Ms that I want to use. They're all banding together. Bird dog. Hi, we are back from our adventure. We went on like an hour-long walk with Sammy. It was a long time. It actually like warmed up a little bit, so some of the snow melted. So the walk was like there wasn't as much snow getting in Sammy's paws. I'm gonna do more decorations, but I'm waiting for this icing to come to room temperature. Not much is going on. It's around 3 o'clock. I'm gonna probably just decorate these and then edit my TikToks of me, because I've been doing some baking TikToks, and then I'm probably gonna edit this vlog because why not? I'm gonna put together my Christmas cookie box tomorrow. This like cookie baking thing at work, so I'm making these cookies to put in a box to give to her work people. I don't know how people do this for like a living. This is kind of a lot of work. There we go. Yummy sheets. We're eating our non-vanilla Diet Coke. Just maybe a splash. Okay, good morning guys. It is 8:16 and I just made my little sugar cookie box for my mom's work. It turned out so good. I'm so excited. I'm gonna pop it in the fridge. Or honestly, no, I'm not gonna put it in the fridge, but it turned out so good. I love it. And these cookies look so good. I've got like a variety, can you see? I've got my M&M cookies, my pretzels, some sugar cookies, frosted, non-frosted, the whole thing. So good. I'm so happy how it turned out. But I'm gonna probably go on the walking pad for a few, get my steps in, and then probably just hang out. I'm gonna probably edit this vlog, decorate some cookies. Same old, same old. I might wrap some presents as well. But That's it. I'm very happy how my back's turned out. Okay, I'm doing some wrapping. I'm wrapping Sarah's gift. Paper. I picked out random wrapping paper for you, Sarah. I hope you like it. Because it's really sad all the snow is melting. It's not going to be a white Christmas. It's okay, though. I've accepted it. Well, that's it. That's all I got for Sarah. Oh, no, I have one more box. Shoot. I'm going to go grab it. Back over we go. Whoa!